Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about another easy problem on Leetcode today. Counting words with a given prefix, Leetcode 2185. In this problem, we are given an array of strings, words, and a string pref, and we should return the number of strings in the words that contain pref as a prefix. A prefix of a string s is any leading contiguous substring of s. Then in example 1, for the given words and pref equal to at, first word we see is pay and it does not start with at, so we will rule it out. Then the next word is attention and it starts with at, so we will count it for our answer. And now our count becomes 1. Then we come to practice, it does not start with 80, so we will rule it out. And finally we come to last word attend and it does start with at, so we will count it as well. So in the end we will return answer as 2 because we found two strings that start with the matching prefix at. Now in terms of solution, the naive approach can be what we did in the example walkthrough. We can iterate through list of words and check if word contains pref as a prefix. And how can we do that? We can use inbuilt starts with method to check if a word starts with a prefix. And if it does, we will increment our answer counter by 1. Now in terms of time complexity, it will be O of n into L, where n is number of words and L is the length of the longest prefix. This is because for each of the n words, we will need to check up to L characters to verify if the word starts with a given prefix. And in terms of space complexity, it will be O of 1 as we are only using some variables here and there. So now let's quickly code it up. First, let's initialize our answer counter to 0. Now let's go through each word in the words array and check if current word starts with a given prefix pref. If it does, we will increment our answer counter by 1. Otherwise, we will continue with the iteration. And once we are done with all the words, we will return our answer. Now let's submit this code. Cool. One more approach which I would like to mention is, since the word prefix is mentioned here, we can also use a data structure called prefix tree or try. However, given that this problem is an easy problem with smaller constraints, the simplicity and directness of the brute force solution through string comparison may outperform the try-based solution due to lesser overhead in constructing and maintaining the try. Also, I haven't given the proper introduction of try on the channel yet, so I will cover that soon. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Your support helps me create more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.